Hello guys, good evening. We eat our dinner. Yung ulam namin po ay ampalaya. Nilagyan namin ng itlog.
Sarap no? Sarap no?
Hello guys!
Bakit?
Hello guys!
Madilim po guys kasi solar lang po ang gamit namin. We have dried fish.
Kainin!
Tatanan naman, galito gamay lang. Apa ka?
John 1:1, in the beginning was the Word, and the Word was God.
Ano?
John 1:1, in the beginning was the Word, and the Word was God.
John 1:1.
The beginning,
Was the word?
the Word was God.
And the word was God.
John 1:1, in the beginning was the Word, and the Word was God. The Word.
Kain tayo guys. Kain.
Kanyang gano'n kayo.
Nay. Eat tayo mga mami. This is our life in province.
Lakaw na buktan.
Iba talaga guys yung buhay natin sa probinsya at iba din yung nasa nasa city. Pero mas pipiliin ko talaga yung province life.
Kainin tayo.
Kain tayo guys, ganyan. Bye bye guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and share and comment. Thank you and God bless everybody. Love you. Ganun sila.